today's video, we will explore what are the top 15 apps that have potential to be profitable and make you rich by 2025. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnoLabs. In today's digital age, innovation is key to success. Are you ready to discover the top 15 apps that could potentially make you rich by 2025? Let's begin. Number 1. Personalized health assistant. Number 2. Remote work collaboration platform. Number 3. AI-powered virtual stylist. Number 4. Cryptocurrency investment portfolio management. Number 5. Virtual home design studio. Number 6. Personalized learning platform for kids. Number 7. Subscription-based meal planning service. Number 8. AI-powered career development coach. Number 9. Interactive storytelling app. Number 10. Virtual event planning platform. Number 11. AI-powered mental health companion. Number 12. Personal finance management app for Gen Z. Number 13. Voice-controlled smart home automation hub. Number 14. AR-powered fitness coaching platform. Number 15. Sustainable living community platform. Ready to create and launch your own app? Contact iTechnoLabs, a leading app development company today, and turn your app idea into reality. For a personalized consultation, contact us now. Our experts are ready to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.